classmates alle? Where are your classmates? Only 15 are there. Okay. Lab, right. Today's date is 15. Yes, 15/10. Asta, answer your attendance. Asta. Asta. What happened to Asta? Why she's not coming up, turning up? Abhinav. Abhinav. Aishwarya. Ambrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Anu.
Present, ma'am.
Arbaz. Arjun. Ashok.
Present, ma'am.
Benita. Bhargavi. Bhargavi. Bhavishya.
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra.
Present, ma'am.
Devmalai. Diksha.
Present, ma'am.
Deepika.
Present, ma'am.
Deepika MB.
Present, ma'am.
Murli Krishna. Gangubai. Gudiya.
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai last class, last lab absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Gudiya. Gudiya. Harshit.
Present, ma'am.
Junjar. Junjar. Kavya.
Present, ma'am.
Kishore.
Present, ma'am.
Lata.
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha. Manisha. Manjunath.
Yes, ma'am.
Nayana. Nayana. Nilanjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Nilanjan, 1, 2, 3, 4 labs you are absent. Huh? Nishant.
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra.
Present, ma'am.
Maithili.
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka.
Present, ma'am.
Pavan. Pavan. Akash.
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari. Rajeshwari. Rakesh.
Present, ma'am.
Last lab absent Rakesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramya.
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi. Rashmi, Ravi.
Yes, ma'am.
So last three classes, three labs means overall 3 labs you were absent. Rizwan,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal.
Present, ma'am.
The last lab you were absent, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Savita,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti,
Present, ma'am.
Srinidhi,
Present, ma'am.
Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Present,
Sunil.
ma'am.
Last lab absent,
present.
Sunil.
Ma'am.
Last lab absent, appa. Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
Vinny, Vinny. Yeah,
Ma'am, Rajeshwari.
Rajeshwari,
Nayana. Yes, ma'am, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Nayana, okay.
Abhinav.
One by one, one by one, one by one. I'll call again. Asta, Abhinav.
Present, ma'am.
Last lab absent, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Arbaz, Arbaz, Arjun,
Present, ma'am.
Benita,
Present, ma'am.
Bhargavi, Bhargavi, Devmalai, Murli Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Gudiya,
Present, ma'am.
Junjar,
Present, ma'am.
Manisha, Manisha, Pawan, Rashmi. Okay, so these people have not joined. I can't help. I've done with 2 points. Okay, so now what you people have to do? You have to show me the 4th program, and I think you will be knowing next Thursday you have your lab internals, right? Hope you everyone remembers that. So next lab you will be having a first lab internals, and you have to write, execute the program, and viva. First and second program will be there. Okay, so now Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, you have not shown any programs, sir. Yes, what to do, sir? I have to give assignment marks for you, sir. If you show them execution, then I can give the assignment marks for lab. What to do? I have sent you all the programs. In GCR, I have sent all 4 programs. You have not showed even one program. Okay, let's see how you will do. Aishwarya? Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll
Yes,
show
ma'am.
we'll show 4th program.
Yes, ma'am. I'll show ma'am some network problem, so I need some time, ma'am.
Okay. Ambarish? Even
Ma'am,
first
let me-
program you have to show Aishwarya.
Okay, ma'am.
Ambarish?
Ma'am, I will show in next lab, ma'am.
Anu?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Okay. Arbaz? Arbaz? Arbaz is here. Arjun?
Ma'am, 5 minutes. Connect ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Ashok?
Ma'am, next lab.
ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ? ಸರಿ,
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 3 ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ
3 ತೋರಿಸಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Benita?
Ma'am, I'll show in the next lab, ma'am.
Bhargavi? Bhargavi? Bhavishya?
Ma'am, I'm connecting, ma'am. Wait, 5 minutes, ma'am.
Chaitra?
Yes, ma'am. Share, ma'am.
Yeah, anyone who is sharing, I'll know their names. Okay, anybody, anyone.
Yes, ma'am. I'm seeing. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, Chaitra. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Show the queries.
Solve.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Insertion part.
ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಬಂತ? ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, 5 ಕ್ವರಿನೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 4th ಅಂತಾನೆ?
4th one. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿವನ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ದೀಪಿಕಾ?
5 minutes ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ದೀಪಿಕಾ MB?
Yes, ma'am. 5 minutes, ma'am.
ಮುರಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ? ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೊ 3rd ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, 4th
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಕುಜಿಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am. I saw after 5 minutes.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ ಇದು?
ಇದು 3rd one ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್.
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಕುಜಿಯ ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಚುಂಜಾರ್?
I'll show now. Ma'am, can I share?
Yeah. Anyone? We are wasting time. Anyone can start. Kavya?
Yeah, ma'am, I will show, ma'am.
Kishore?
Ma'am, shall I
Ma'am,
present?
can you see?
Yeah, Murli Krishna, I can see. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ನೋ ರೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನೀನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಫೆಚ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಅದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸು, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಸರಿಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು.
ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಜುಂಜಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay.
Very soon. First, second, third.
Chunjar, no?
Yes.
Okay. Ella execute aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I present, ma'am?
Yeah. Who is that? Anu. Anu, third one you have shown, right? Anu,
Yes, ma'am.
you are showing fourth one
Yes,
now.
ma'am, I have shown. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bega, anyone? Lata? Kishore?
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yeah, no, it is visible. Right. Okay, done, Anu. Kishore? You have not shown anything. Yeah, who is next? Someone saying will show. Enappa?
Ma'am, shall I present, ma'am?
Bhavisha.
ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
Ma'am, shall I present, ma'am?
ಯಾ. ಅನು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್. ಹಾ, ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲಾವುದು ಎರರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ.
Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
No, not yet. Yeah, it is coming.
Ma'am?
Yeah, it's coming.
Ma'am. Queries, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Table values. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am, shall
Rashmi.
I
Can I?
present? Ma'am?
Yeah. One by one. Who want to show?
Kavya.
Oh, Kavya, show. Rashmi, why you were late?
Ma'am, it's not connecting, so internet issue, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Kavya, show.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಬೇಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Can I show, ma'am?
Yeah, Kavya is showing.
Insertion part, ma'am. Queries, ma'am.
Okay. ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕಾವ್ಯ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
5 queries, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. Next, who want to show? Someone was saying, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, I'll show, ma'am, Pavitra.
It's over.
Yeah, anybody. It's left to you one by one. I'm here to see all your programs only. Fast. Kavya, you can go for mute. Bhavishya? Mute. Go for mute, no?
Okay.
Ma'am, are you able to see, ma'am?
Can I show?
Yes, Pavitra.
Ma'am, table creation, ma'am.
1 second. Nayana is opened. Who is opened?
Pavitra, ma'am.
Pavitra is also there. There are 2 people opened here. One can go for, one can stop. Nayana, you can stop. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Stop madam presentation. ನಯನದು ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪವಿತ್ರದು ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಬ್ರು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
I have stopped, ma'am.
Pavitra stopped. Okay. Nayana, you can show for then. Nayana, you have not showed one also. Nayana? Nayana? Nayana, you're not able to see. Okay. Pavitra, you can start.
Yeah, ma'am.
Pavitra?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Pavitra.
See, ma'am, table. You're able to see, no, ma'am?
Yeah.
Table creation, ma'am.
Hmm.
Insertion.
Hmm. Hmm.
These are the queries, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I stop, ma'am?
Yeah, Pavitra.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, Rajeshwari.
Rajeshwari. Yes, share the screen.
Ma'am, next
Yes, ma'am.
Nishant, ma'am.
Okay, Nishant. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, ma'am, ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಲೋಗು. ಓಕೆ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸರಿಪ್ಪ. ನಿಶಾಂತ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಯನ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಯನ
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪಿಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Ma'am, next I will show, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ರಾಕೇಶ್. Nishant, fast.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Next one should be ready after Nishant. Rakesh.
Ma'am, some network issues, ma'am. Next I will show.
Okay, Rakesh.
Ma'am, next.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yeah, Rashmi.
Deepika,
One
ma'am.
second. Deepika, Rashmi, wait. Rakesh.
Ma'am, I'm presenting. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಶ್ಮಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾವುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೋಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು. ದೀಪಿಕಾ.
Yes, ma'am.
ರಶ್ಮಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Deepika MB. Okay. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು.
Ma'am, show ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. Rakesh, which one you are showing?
Third one, ma'am. It's visible, ma'am.
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ.
Third and fourth one, ma'am. Last lab I am not attended.
Yes. ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yeah, ma'am.
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್.
Yeah, ma'am. This is third one.
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್.
Fourth one, start from here only.
ಓಕೆ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ.
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸಲಶೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಯ್ತು. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್. ಇದು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇರೋದು ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ
ರಮ್ಯಾ.
ಯಾರು ರಮ್ಯಾ? ಬೇಗ ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ ರಮ್ಯಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ರಮ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್. ರಮ್ಯಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್.
Yes, ma'am. I'll present. Just a minute.
Third and fourth you have to show, right?
Yes, ma'am. Third I'll show now. Fourth I'll show in the next class, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the screen visible now?
Yes, it is visible, but you open your SQL. Yeah.
Just a minute. So this is third one, ma'am. Insertions. And here is the queries.
All queries got executed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, Spurti, shall I present?
Yes, Spurti. Spurti, you have not shown first one.
Show fourth and first, ma'am.
Yes, now we are showing which one?
I'll show both, ma'am. First is fourth, I'll show. Next one, I'll show first one.
Okay.
I'll present, ma'am.
Yeah.
1 second, ma'am.
Yes. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's see.
Yeah.
Ma'am, here is the query.
Okay. Which one it is?
Ma'am, this is the fourth one.
Yeah, fourth one. Yeah.
Fourth one.
Yeah.
1 second. Oh, it's not. Ma'am, this is first one.
Okay, come down.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, I'm able to
This is
see.
first one.
Yeah. All queries
This is
got
first
executed.
one is done, ma'am.
All queries executed?
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This is fourth one.
Okay, come down. Yeah. Yes, fine. Okay, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, who want to show?
Ma'am, I'll show, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Who is
Akash.
that? Akash. Okay, Akash. Fourth one you are showing, Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fast, Akash. Others?
No.
Vinny? Vinny is absent?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am. Can I show in the next class?
Okay. I'm about to mark absent when you have marked also. See, you didn't
Ma'am,
answer.
my
Okay.
table and their content.
No, ma'am, I'm present.
Okay. Okay, come down, Rakash. Come down, come down. So all queries got executed.
Query starts from here, ma'am.
1, okay. Okay. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, fine. Fine. Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi is here. Sunil?
Ma'am, Maithili.
Okay, Maithili, you can show. You can show.
Ma'am, I'll switch on video and I'll show, ma'am.
Okay. ನಂಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಹಾ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come down.
All fine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Maithili. Sunil? Sunil is here. Srinivas showed. Srinidhi? Rizwan, you want to show?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can share Rizwan.
Okay.
Rizwan, you're showing which one? First or fourth?
Both I will show, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you see the screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes, it's coming. Yeah.
This is the fourth one, ma'am.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, fourth, fifth.
Oh.
This is for first one, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All are working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rizwan.
Okay, ma'am.
Who want to show next?
I'm Sneha, ma'am. Sneha.
Yes, Sneha. Sneha, you didn't show even one also.
Ma'am. Today I will show all.
Okay. Yes, present it fast.
Okay. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this one is first one. This is first one, ma'am. These are tables. And here I inserted values.
Okay.
And these are the queries.
Okay. This is first query, right? Okay.
First one.
Okay. Second
And
one.
this player, this one is second one.
Book. Okay. Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, queries, ma'am. Second one, queries.
Okay.
Employee, third one, ma'am. Third program. Ma'am, queries.
Okay.
This is fourth one.
Okay. Okay, all queries got executed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Sneha. Next, who want to present?
Thank you.
I'll show, ma'am.
Yeah, who is that? Vishal. Yes, Vishal. Bega bega torsi. Next person. After Vishal.
You can see, ma'am.
Yes, Vishal.
Okay, last class I didn't show third one. Like I'll show this.
Vishal. Yeah, third one you didn't show.
Yeah, this is third one.
Okay. All queries got executed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
And the fourth one from over here.
Okay. ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
Okay.
Next, you want to show? Anybody?
Ma'am, Vaishnavi. Next lab I will show, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, next lab. Okay, Nishant. Yes, Nishant. Share, Nishant.
And this is Srinidhi.
Yeah,
This is Srinidhi. I will show in next class, ma'am.
Okay, Srinidhi. Others? Nishant?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. It's not sharing.
Asta is not there. Abhinav, no. Aishwarya? I don't know. Ambrish? Ambrish, you told next lab, right? Arbaz? Arjun?
Ma'am, 10 minutes, ma'am. I didn't give commit command, so data's went up.
Ashok next. Ashok next and Yelapa? Benita? Bhargavi?
Ma'am, next week, ma'am.
Okay. Dev Malay is not there. Diksha?
Ma'am, next week, ma'am.
Deepika LG?
Ma'am, share ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ma'am.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಕಾಯಿಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಗುಡಿಯಾ? ಗುಡಿಯಾ? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Gudiya, you'll show fourth one? How long? Make it fast, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Kishore? Kishore?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನೀನು. Kishore?
Yeah, ma'am. I will show, ma'am. It's showing error, ma'am. I will show.
Manisha? Manisha? Nayana?
I'm showing video call, ma'am. Network problem issue, ma'am. Laptop is connected.
Nilanjan? Nishant?
Next class I will show. Ma'am, I will show in next class, ma'am. Some network issues. It's
Okay.
not opening now.
Pavitras is over. Maithili is over. Priyanka is over. Pavitra? Priyanka? Priyanka? Priyanka is there? Pawan?
Ma'am, can I join next lab?
Akash over. Rajeshwari over. Rakesh over. Ramya over. Rashmi over. Ravi? Ravi?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll show? You didn't show, sir, any programs.
Ma'am, next lab, ma'am. I have a power issue, ma'am.
Rizwan shown. Vishal shown. Savita?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸವಿತಾ.
ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐತೆ, ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Shruti? Shruti? Sneha over. Spurti over. Srinidhi over. Srinivas? Srinidhi? You told next. Srinivas? Done. Sunil? Sunil? Vaishnavi told next. Okay. People who want to... ತೋರ್ಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಬೇಗ, ಇನ್ನು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, so this lab I'll end up here. We'll continue in the next lab. I'll end up means till 10:30. After that, you can sit and study, do the revision for the next lab. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show?
Ma'am, Arjun, shall I?
Yes, Arjun. Anyone? Nishant open ಮಾಡಿ close ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ? ನಯನ, ನಿಶಾಂತ್, Arjun. Yeah, anybody?
Ma'am, Deepika, ma'am.
Yes, anybody. You can share. One can share.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ?
ಇರಮ್ಮ, ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
Ma'am, Nishant.
Both are at a time. Arjun is also open, Nishant is also open. Which one shall I see? One close down. One of you can close. One.
These are the database.
Arjun and Nishant, ಯಾರ್ದಷ್ಟು ಸೌಂಡು?
Ma'am, Arjun. Ma'am, Nandal.
Okay, anybody one. Nishant.
Ma'am, I will share now.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
Yes, Nishant.
Ma'am, this one, fourth one.
Yeah. All queries executed?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ queries ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ select ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ.
Ma'am, here queries.
Okay, fourth one, Nishant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Can I show?
Nishant, one more you have not shown, right?
First one I didn't show, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, I will show in next lab.
Okay.
Some errors are there, ma'am.
Okay, Arjun.
Ma'am, these are the data. Just now I did.
Okay.
Ma'am, these are the values I inserted.
Show
These are the
queries.
5 queries, ma'am.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. Yeah, someone was saying Deepika LG.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Camera
Deepika.
switch ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
5 ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಮ್ಮ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. Okay, Gudiya?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Gudiya, you want to show?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gudiya. Fourth one, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
show fast. Others? Anybody left who want to show?
Can you show, ma'am?
Yes, Gudiya. Yes, come down. Come down. Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, these are the tables. Yes. To this table.
Yeah. Yes. Come down.
Digits table. Email table. These are queries, ma'am. First queries. Second queries. Third queries. Fourth queries. Fifth query.
Okay, Gudiya. Okay.
Can I stop, ma'am?
Yeah. Yes. Someone want to show? Who was that? Who want to show? Savita?
हाँ मैम.
Savita, you have not showed even one also.
हाँ मैम, 4 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಹೇಳು?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಯಾಕೋ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 4 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದು?
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
ಇದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಥರ್ಡ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದು ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Anybody else want to show? Okay. So we'll stop here and we'll continue in the next lab with the first lab internals. So study well, prepare well for Viva. Next lab, you'll be having the first lab internals. Any doubts? Any doubts? Same way you have to write, scan, write it in the blue book. I hope you'll be having blue books. Write in the blue books, scan and send me back in the Google Classroom. And the Viva will be asked. I'll mark here your marks. Once I'll be finalizing, once you come back to college, you'll bring blue books, right? So we'll finalize in that blue books. Okay, anything else? And you have to execute and show the programs one by one.
Ma'am, how many programs, ma'am?
First and second program, sir. First program and second program for first internal. 3, 4, 5 will be for your second internal.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything
like ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಾವೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಹೊಸದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೊಸದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಬ್ಲೂ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಹೇಗ್ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಮುಗಿಸ್ದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 hours ಒಳಗಡೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವೈವಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗೆ? Yes, anything else?
Ma'am, both we have to write.
No, you have to study both, but same way how we were picking chits, no?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? How we were doing it? We were picking chits. Same way here also, I'll pick one chit. So it's on behalf of you, I will pick. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts? But you have to study both first and second program. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಚಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ. Okay? Okay, we'll stop here and we'll continue in the next class.